This video I will show you how to use Google Colab, sorry, not Google Colab, VS Studio Code to edit the code file. First of all, you have to create an empty folder. Okay, an empty folder. Then you go to the website, okay, and copy this in our website, GitHub website, and then you paste it in the terminal. Space then dot, okay, space dot. Okay. So you can see that the directory is loaded. You have all the file. And the next thing you're gonna do is that you have to create a new branch. Okay, git branch, and then git checkout, I think. Okay, you git checkout. You can refer to the reference here. I put git checkout. Let's say you can put your name. I put my name. Okay, so you can see that switch to the new branch thing. So if let's say I suggest you not to use a terminal here. I suggest you to use the bash because it's better. So you can see that it put the name thing, which is the branch that I'm working on right now. So every time you have to create a new branch, okay, to avoid the affecting the main version. So let's say you add your part, okay, print hi, okay. So you print the hi, okay. You add your part, you do the thing, okay. It's when you finish your part, okay, finish editing everything. So what you're gonna do is you have to type 3 messages. First messages is git add dot, okay, git, okay, then you git commit, okay. So this one you can say anything, okay. This one any message update 999, you know, whatever messages, okay, update 999, okay. And then after this you git push. You can see that when you type git push, it will give you a fatal messages normally. So you push, you follow the messages, you type as you follow the message, okay. Okay, so you can see that when I push, then you go to the website, you refresh it, you can see that there's a new branch being added, down here. Okay, so but you can see that the main is still not being updated. Okay, the main is not updated, but thing is being updated. So now you have to merge this with the main branch. So how do we merge? So it's pretty simple. You can see that I have prepared some messages over here. So okay, so you check out, first of all you git, okay, check out main, you go back to the main branch. You can see that I'm now at the main branch, which is the main copy. Now you git merge, okay, you can see that I've merged. So you push, okay, you git push, okay, you after you merge, you push, then you go back to the website and then you refresh again. Okay, you can see that the branch is up to date with the main. Okay, you can see that now the main branch is being updated with whatever you have added. Okay, whatever you have added. So every time you want to perform an update, you have to create a new folder and then you create a new branch. Okay, then after you finish update, you can just delete the folder. It's okay. Okay, you can just delete the folder. So for if you are new to GitHub, I think you can listen until here. So if you plan to explore further, now I'm going to teach you how to delete the branch that you have created. So this is an extra section. It's okay if you don't want to listen. So you can see that just now on VS Code, I actually created 2 branch, Kinting and main. Okay, let's say I want to delete the Kinting branch. You can see actually there's 2 things happening here. One is that the Kinting branch is in your machine. Okay, in my computer there's a Kinting branch, but in the cloud there's also a Kinting branch. So you have to see that I prepare two messages here: delete branch on local and delete branch on remote. So first of all, let's try with the git push origin. Delete the remote branch, which is on the cloud. Okay. Sorry, I think there's a typo. Okay. Okay, so if I delete this, okay, you can, and then you go to you refresh the website, you can see that Kenting branch is being deleted. But if you type git branch, you check, hey, my computer, there's still Kenting branch. So I have to delete the branch locally as well. So you can see that there's only a main branch here. So once you have settled everything, you just close the folder, okay? And then you can just delete this folder. Okay? It's not needed, because whatever, we will just use the whatever that's being shown here, okay? We'll save everything in the cloud, okay? You don't have to use your computer space, okay? That's it. Thank you for watching.